In life, you need rules that will guide you, and you need discipline for you to achieve your dream. Dream goes with discipline. Without discipline, you'll not achieve your dream. And you need to learn to have rules. You need to set rules that will help you to be able to achieve, because you have a great potential, and you may have great potential, but without discipline, you'll not be able to achieve. You want to achieve great things, you need rule to live by. Hi, how are you? This is Syaviha Mulengia, the author of the book, Men Are Crying, Women Are Weeping. We are here. My aim is to share hope, harmony, and because I believe you need hope to be able to stand and succeed. So today we'll be talking about rule to live by. Thank you. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, share, and say something. Comment, ask a question. I'm here for you. You are very, very important. You need rule to live by. Rule that will guide you. Rule that will guide you, because you can be easily distracted if you don't have rules. So you need to be able to set rules that will guide you. One of the rules to live by is realize who you are. Know who you are. If you know who you are, you'll not be deceived. Know who you are. It's key. People come to your life telling you all sorts of things, but know who you are. This is who I am. If you know who you are, know what you have and where you are going. It's the key. Define your life. If you don't want to be distracted, define well your life. So rule number one that you need to live by is know who you are, and know what you want, and know where you are going. It's key. Number two, rule that you need to live by, rely on God. You are created by God in His image. Rely on Him if you want to go far. You need Him, and with God you'll be able to achieve a lot. So rely on God. That should be one of your rules in life, that in life I'll rely on God. Number three, refuse to give up in life. That should be one of your rules. Refuse to give up, because discouragement, you'll come across many things that will discourage you, will deter you, will come on your way, but refuse to give up. That should be one of your rules. And rule number four, relate well with people, because you need them and people need you. Don't say, I don't need people. You need people, because in terms of need, money will not help you, but you need people who help you. So value the people, because the people that you meet today, they're the people that you'll need tomorrow. So value the people, relate well with people. That's rule number four that you'll need to live by. Number five, recognize your weakness and appreciate your strength. You need to be able to recognize where are your weaknesses and to be able to deal with those weaknesses. When you deal well with your weaknesses, you'll be able to be strong. Recognize your weaknesses. Everyone has a shortcoming, so you need to be able to recognize your weaknesses, and that will help you to live well. Rule number six that you need to live by, research, learn. You need to have a desire to learn. If you want to live, learn. Knowledge is key. Knowledge is very, very important. Seek knowledge. Have a desire to learn if you want to live well. Research. When you research, you'll discover. When you discover, you're going to do great things. Rule number seven, reward yourself. That you need to know that you are very important. Appreciate yourself. Award yourself. Say thank you. Learn to thank yourself. In fact, in the morning, what are you telling yourself? You need to tell yourself sweet things. We want to hear sweet words from other people, but what do you tell yourself? You need also to learn to cherish, love yourself. It's very, very important. Rule number seven, that will help you to reward yourself. Rule number eight is you need to learn to relax. That have time for yourself. have time where you can relax. That should be one of your rule in life. Also, reach out to people. Also, refuse, rebuke the bad thing in life. So these are some of the rules that can help you to be productive, to be at peace, and to be powerful in life. Rule number 1, realize who you are. Know what you want in life. Rule number 2, rely on God. Rule number 3, refuse to give up in life because you have a great dream. Rule number 4, relate well with people because you need people. Rule number 5, recognize your strength and acknowledge your weakness and work on your weakness so that you'll be able to do great things. Rule number 6, research. You need to learn in order to live and lead. Rule number 7, reward yourself, appreciate who you are. Rule number 8, relax. Have time to be able to relax. Rule number 9, reach out to people. And 10, resist bad things. This will be able to help you to be strong, stable, and successful, to be productive and peaceful. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, share, and say something. Comment and share with someone because this video will be able to help many people. Thank you so much.